What is that? I think that's giant hogweed. You don't see it often. How did it get there? I think it's maybe it lives in those woods. I think it's giant hogweed. Look at it. It doesn't. I don't know. The leaf looks like an elderflower though. So this could be a dangerous plant. There's more of it there. Unless it's one of the no, because that's got a very thin stem. I love plants. I used to garden a lot when I was a teenager. Oh, it smells nice here. These things, they smell nice. The English have always been very into gardening. Same with the Japanese. I can hear that music from here. I think it's like it's probably down in the village of Leckhampstead. Must be. Yes, I'd love to see more unusual plants and things. I think the landscape that England is so different to how it used to be, and I think we're missing a lot of the experiences that people used to have. This like connection to the landscape, these like bushcraft skills, camping, and just knowledge about plants and animals and insects and all sorts. How to make things, how to sort of like stuff that like Ray Mears does. I was always found that stuff interesting, but I'd never had much opportunity to sort of engage with it. Interesting tree. I think it's an oak, but it doesn't look like one. I'm falling down there. Yeah, I'd love to go camping, like properly go camping. There aren't many places where you can camp without asking for permission, like public places. A lot of it is private land. And people do this thing like glamping, where you pay to like go and stay in a tent that's already like been set up, and they like bring food for you or whatever. It's just in someone's back garden. It's just silly. It defeats the point. The point is to get away from society and not spend money and come back to nature, right? This would be why they've put this trench out into the A-road instead of running it through the grass here. You'd think they'd run it across this grass here, so come down here, but they've run it onto the road, and it's causing traffic jams. It looks like they're going to run it into the hell? It looks like they're going to run it through here anyway. So why block the road? See what I mean? Very strange. Also, this is probably one of the worst times for it because you've got summer holiday traffic. But it's not even 7:30 in the morning yet, and all these horns going off outside. I thought, what the fuck? What the hell's going on? Massive tailbacks. No wonder they're all beaten.
Aha! A stress machine! Just what we need. Roll up your sleeves, Jen. Let's get this over. You understand this is your last chance. If the needle goes beyond here, you will be fired. Does that make you feel stressed? Jen! Does it? No? Are you sure? 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 See this? Are you sure? I'm gonna burst it, but I'm not gonna tell you when. Do you feel stressed, Jen? Jen! Jen! Look at that! That's your peace of mind. It's gonna go bang. Do you feel stressed now, Jen? Jen! 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 Do you? Evidently not. Well done, Jen. You're not being fired by me at this precise moment.